Okay, hi everyone, so Daryl and Kevin here. That's actually where that homemade bomb was. And okay, coincidentally, right, we're in Bangkok at the point in time when this thing happened. And it happened like at 9 AM in the morning, right?
Yep.
And the weirdest thing was that we were here like
Yesterday, the day before.
the day before. So it was like not only the day before, like not even 24 hours. That was like what, 18 hours before. We were here at 3 PM because we actually went to Ritz-Carlton Residences. We worked with King Power, the King Power PR team, and they allowed us to film the Mahanakhon and the skywalk. Yeah, so we were here on like a media type of thing. Can go down. And like maybe like one day later, everything is back to normal except that there are security personnel all over the place. So they are looking out. So there's security personnel all over. Up there. So it's just in front there. So I guess we'll go inside the Mahanakhon, but it's back to normal already. It's kind of weird because there was like a huge commotion over it, and everything is wrong anyway. And like seriously, like violence is like pointless. And what's the point of planting a bomb? Cause like seriously, you're gonna hurt somebody who is like innocently walking past. Yeah, so Kevin is still there. It's actually drizzling, but today it's actually Saturday, so that thing happened on Friday. And on Thursday we were actually at the Mahanakhon. So this is the Mahanakhon. I think that it's one of the most architecturally beautiful modern buildings built not just in Bangkok but in just about any city. And the PR team actually took us up. We were supposed to be able to film, I mean they told us to film the show units that were available for sale, and well, we did, but yeah, so now they even put up like security here. Previously there was no security here. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you. So the security team is here. So security is definitely beefed up, but everything is as per normal. Also, it's kind of pointless, and anyway, this is Bangkok. I think not many people. Yeah, you try? Yeah, Kevin wants to try this. So actually, we're on the day after we're here for Asian Summit, and also to visit the Ritz-Carlton Residences. Yeah, so Kevin's gonna try that. Yeah, we're just doing like a follow-up video, and actually everything is almost back to normal. Just that there are more security personnel all over the place. Okay, so see you guys at the next video. That's all from us. Bye bye.